My name is Christopher O'Neill, and I'm the Casa Grande City Judge. I was appointed in July of 2013 and have served in that capacity ever since. So my department is the Casa Grande City Court. The Casa Grande City Court hears civil traffic violations and misdemeanor criminal cases that occur within the city limits of Casa Grande. We also hear protective orders, injunctions against harassment, and domestic violence orders of protection. Our mission is to guarantee the fair and impartial administration of justice, to uphold the rights of all parties, and to treat all persons with respect and dignity. You can think of courthouse operations as being divided into primarily two categories. There's the judicial function and there's administration. The presiding judge ultimately has responsibility over both of those areas. On the judicial side, I preside over the entire criminal caseload of the court, with some exceptions. On the administrative side, the court administrator currently oversees 7 regular employees and several interns and volunteers. The court typically has 1 clerk assigned to the courtroom, 2 clerks assigned to customer service, 2 clerks assigned to support, a part-time clerk to fill in where needed, and a security officer. The court also is blessed with a number of volunteers, and they help out a great deal with some of our clerical tasks. They also serve as bailiffs, and they help with our community service program. A large number of our cases at the Casa Grande City Court are civil traffic cases. These cases usually move pretty quickly. Anytime somebody wants to dispute a civil traffic ticket, we schedule a hearing for that case that would take place in the courtroom. We would notify the officer who issued the citation and hold a hearing where we hear from both sides. But a lot of people, they just want to pay a civil traffic ticket, or they just want to attend defensive driving school, or maybe it was an insurance ticket and they just want to provide proof that they had insurance for the vehicle to get that ticket dismissed. There are a number of cases that can be resolved very quickly like that with civil traffic cases. In criminal cases, of course, we have to hold formal hearings in the courtroom, and on any day when we are holding a criminal calendar, we have to make sure that people know where they need to be and what's expected of them. So we use our bailiffs. Clerks will direct people to which courtroom they need to be in. The bailiffs will show them the way, and they enter the courtroom and start the formal process. So we have to maintain a robust and accurate filing system and a record-keeping system. And we maintain both a physical record of a case file and a digital record. We actually have one of the more robust payment systems, I think, in the state. We have a very good program for making sure that people are on payment plans that are within their ability to pay. We have systems for adjusting those payment plans when need be. If we have somebody who's in default, we have means of getting them out of that status and back onto a payment plan. The reality is we know that the courts are there, and we know that people get charged with crimes, they sue each other, and all this stuff happens. But fortunately, most people haven't actually had to set foot in a courtroom themselves. And ultimately, everything that a judge hears about the case is heard with both sides there. Both sides get to be heard. And so that's what the courts try to provide. That's what we try to provide at the Casa Grande City Court. For more information about the Casa Grande City Court, please visit our website or follow us on social media.